We're lighting up the dark tonight. Ready for the lift off, right? I was a spark in a city of shadows, trying to breathe